ZePrA 7 once again demonstrates ColorLogic's focus on creating the best color server technology with a simple and powerful set of features based on ICC standards. You'll notice immediately that ZePrA still has the same familiar interface with more productivity enhancements than ever before. Tasks such as adding a file to the queue can simply be accessed by right-clicking and selecting a file. Deleting queues and their associated configurations can be managed by one simple dialog box. Enhancements have also been added to the configurations dialog. Document and the Spot Colors tab has many new features. I'm just going to focus on a few. Special options for spot color reproduction have been added for tasks such as avoiding dot-on-dot combinations and linearizing spot colors In the Options panel, ColorLogic has added support for processing layered PSD or Photoshop files and either retaining the layers and transparency, adding an alpha channel on the fly with a mask, or flattening the Photoshop file. We'll be covering all these options in a later video. Under the PDF tab, you'll see that PDF layer support is now added in ZePrA 7. Not only do we support custom layer names, but we also support all the processing steps under ISO 19593-1. Job warnings for each configuration can also be customized based on the processing steps that are required. There are many new features and improvements such as PDF 2.0 support that make ZePrA 7 the most feature-packed upgrade to date. Contact your ColorLogic dealer for more information.